Are you getting the dreaded ng command not found error while working with Angular? Don't worry, here's how you can fix it in less than a minute. This error usually occurs when Angular CLI isn't installed globally or your system doesn't recognize it. We should open the terminal and check if Node is installed. If not, install it. So, my computer has Node.js installed. I will find the path of Node. Here, we can find all the installed Node packages, like Angular, Ionic, and others. In this directory, Angular CLI, ng, is not installed globally on the system. We should install Angular CLI globally and try it again. Now, we can see that the ng command is available in the Node directory, and Angular CLI is also available under node_modules. Now, ng command is available in terminal. Still getting the error? It might be a path issue. Ensure your Node.js and npm installation directories are added to your system's path environment variable.